Crypto Explained, how it works and where it's going. Fast-paced montage of Bitcoin, Ethereum, blockchain, and financial graphs. Cryptocurrency, a digital revolution. From Bitcoin to Ethereum, Solana to Dogecoin, crypto has taken over the financial world. But how does it actually work? Is it safe? And most importantly, should you invest? Stay tuned, because in the next 8 minutes, we'll break down everything you need to know about cryptocurrency and where it's headed in the future. What is crypto? Visual, animated explainer of digital currencies, decentralized systems. Narrator: cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency secured by cryptography, making it nearly impossible to counterfeit. Unlike traditional money issued by governments, crypto operates on decentralized networks using blockchain technology. The first cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, was created in 2009 by an anonymous entity called Satoshi Nakamoto. Since then, thousands of cryptocurrencies have emerged, each with different purposes and technologies. But what makes them different from regular money? Section 2. How does crypto work? Visual, blockchain animation, miners verifying transactions. Traditional money relies on banks and governments to verify and process transactions. Crypto removes these intermediaries by using blockchain technology, a decentralized ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. Transactions are verified through consensus mechanisms like proof of work, used by Bitcoin, or proof of stake, used by Ethereum 2.0. This system makes crypto secure, transparent, and resistant to fraud. But how do people acquire crypto? Visual, exchanges, mining rigs, staking, wallets. Narrator: there are 3 main ways. Buying on exchanges like Binance or Coinbase, mining, solving complex mathematical problems to validate transactions, or staking, locking up crypto to support network operations in exchange for rewards. Section 3. Why is crypto so popular? Visual, Bitcoin price chart, Elon Musk tweets, NFT marketplace. Narrator: crypto's popularity has skyrocketed due to several factors. First, decentralization. No government controls it. Second, potential for high returns. Bitcoin started at mere cents and hit over $60,000. Third, real-world use cases. DeFi, decentralized finance, enables lending and borrowing without banks. NFTs, non-fungible tokens, revolutionize digital ownership, and smart contracts execute agreements automatically. But with opportunity comes risk. Section 4. Risks and challenges. Visual, hacks, volatility graphs, government bans. Narrator: despite its benefits, crypto comes with risks. Price volatility can wipe out fortunes overnight. Security issues like exchange hacks and scams have cost investors billions. Regulatory uncertainty. Some countries embrace crypto, while others ban it outright. And lastly, environmental concerns. Bitcoin mining consumes vast amounts of electricity, leading to debates on sustainability. Future of crypto. The metaverse, Web3, CBDCs, Ethereum 2.0 upgrades. Narrator: so what's next for crypto? Experts predict the rise of Web3, a decentralized internet powered by blockchain. The metaverse, virtual worlds where crypto will be the main currency. Governments are also launching CBDCs, central bank digital currencies, which could compete with decentralized cryptocurrencies. And with Ethereum 2.0 and other advancements making crypto more energy efficient, mass adoption could be closer than ever. Visual, Bitcoin, Ethereum, futuristic digital finance graphics. Crypto is here to stay. Whether it's the future of money or just another financial experiment, one thing is clear: it's changing the world. But should you invest? Remember, crypto is high risk and highly speculative. Always do your own research before investing. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more crypto insights, and let us know in the comments. Do you think Bitcoin will hit $100,000? See you in the next one. Outro channel logo, subscribe animation.